Now we are going to learn how to solve the given linear equation. First one, so I will starting from the simple example. If x plus 3 equal 10. Now you have to identify what is the operation with the unknown. What's the operation with the unknown? You can see here x plus 3, this one is the unknown. The operation with the unknown is addition 3 plus 3. So you can see here plus 3. So what is the inverse operation of this one? It is minus 3. So how do you solve this equation? You have to use the knowledge of the inverse operation. So look at this one here, minus 3 because I identified here the operation with the unknown is plus 3. This is the inverse operation. I have to do both sides because it is equation. What do you mean by the equation? Equation looks like balance. It is balanced by the equal mark. So if you put something inside in here, so you have to do the same thing if you want to keep the balance. Okay, so that we have to do both side. Now you can see here, you can remove plus 3 to minus 3, x equal, you can subtract 3 from 10, it is 7. So now you can do the first problem set. You have to do the first. So I will give another example. X plus 5 equal 3. Now x plus 5, you have to identify what is the inverse operation with this one. Here look at this is plus 5. So inverse operation of this one is minus 5. So put the minus 5 either side. So 3 minus 5. Then you can remove this 5. This side it comes x. 3 minus 5. Now you have to knowledge 3 minus 5. What is 3 minus 5? Minus 2. Consider about the sign. Minus 2. Okay. I will explain another example type. X minus 3 equals 10. So last time we show x plus 3 equal 10. Now I told you what is the operations with the unknown is. Here look at this plus 3. So inverse operation is minus 3. In new case, what is the operation with the unknown? X minus 3 equals 10. It is minus 3. So what is the inverse operation of that one? It plus 3. If it is minus, I told you subtraction, addition is the inverse. Now what do you supposed to do? You have to do the x minus 3, inverse of minus 3 is plus 3. Put the plus 3 both side, equals 10 again plus 3. You can see here. So I find out operation with the unknown minus 3. So I told you inverse of minus is addition. So I add same value either side. Then what's the value of that one? X equal 10 plus 3 13. This is the next example. So I will give another example. Y minus 4 equal minus 5. So what is the inverse operation? Minus 4. Very easy. You look at this, the operation is minus 4. Sorry. What is the inverse of minus 4? You know that. Plus 4. So you have to put the plus 4 both sides. Y minus 4 plus 4 minus 5 plus 4. So you can remove these two. So y equals minus 4, it's minus 1. Next type of example comes with the operation multiplication. 3x equal 9. Now what do you mean by 3x? Yes, you know that 3 into x. This is multiplication. So if you see the multiplication, what is the inverse of multiplication? Inverse of multiplication what? It is division. Division. So inverse of multiplication is division. So what do you supposed to do in here? 3x, divide both sides by 3. 9 by 3. So x equal 9 by 3 is 3. That's the value for x. Sometimes you will doubt some numbers cannot be divisible. Look at this one. If you have a 5x equal 9, so what I supposed to do? You have to divide either side by 5. That is the thing you have to do. Then you can remove this 5x. Now you can't divide this one. Keep it as a what? Mixed number. Or otherwise you can keep it as a decimal. You can convert it to the decimal. Better way, keep it the fraction. Now you can do the next problem set.